Move-in Ready? This single-wide mobile is a 2022 RGN Kevin floor plan that is for sale. Affordable Lakeside Living Convenient to Miller Highway 66, Bush Freeway, and Interstate 30. Perfect for those looking to simplify their life and relax. Energy efficient 3-bedroom 2-bath Lakefront Manufactured home with an R-panel metal roof. 8-foot ceilings, 1,056 square feet with a large covered front and back porch. Refrigerator, new black range, microwave, dishwasher, new HVAC and move-in ready. Come see these lake views. Lakeview and Non-Lakeview lots are available. This brand new manufactured home is 16 by 66. The master bedroom is 10 by 15, second bedroom is 6 by 12, and third bedroom is 8 by 15. Home warranty also. Call for a tour. Units 34, 8, and 9 in the same Kevin floor plans. Zippy and Century 21 are some single-wide lenders. The lot lease is for $800 to $900 per month and water is included.